So I have ended up in a very nice hotel room in Fargo, North Dakota. How I got here is a very, very boring story. Watch this. So we're in a town called Faith right now. This is Bud Day, the Iron Man of cowboys. This is what we're looking at right here. What's going on, Bud? Anyway, I am currently in a town called Faith. We're in South Dakota, about halfway through the state. As you can see from the video that we've been showing you, there is not a whole lot out here. But this town is cute. I just took the drone up, you're seeing that right now. And what a cute, quaint little town. Big, wide open roads. Just a few four corners and a little bit of residential area. But we stopped into the gas station here. The woman running the counter was just pleasant as all can be. And now we got another, I don't know how far, of wilderness again. All the way around this town in every direction. There's absolutely nothing but prairie. I mean, it's just real, pure, crazy-ass desolation out here. But it's a nice drive. It's a long drive. We're actually right on the edge of the almost the Standing Rock Reservation. I think we're right along the Cheyenne River Reservation right now. So this is a lot of Native American territory here. And I mean, beautiful, just wide open skies. I mean, everything in every direction you can see for miles and miles and miles. Just totally, they call it the Dakota Plains. It's rough driving because it's boring, but it's beautiful. So we're gonna hit the road again. We just stopped to get some gas and let the dog out, and we're gonna head back up on our way to North Dakota. See you again soon. So we took off from Faith. As a matter of fact, we're driving through Faith again right now. The reason why is we left from Faith heading east as the GPS was taking us, and as we approached the Cheyenne River, was it the Cheyenne River Reservation?
Yes.
As we approached the reservation, they had a checkpoint. It was a COVID checkpoint, and if you were from anywhere outside of here, they wouldn't let you on the reservation. I think that, first of all, while it inconveniences us a little bit time-wise, what a fantastic thing that reservation is doing for their people to keep any possible outside spread off the reservation. I think it's fantastic. I absolutely applaud them. So we are now heading west instead of east, so we're going to go out of the way. We're going to lose about 45 minutes, it looks like, on the trip to get back on track. So we have to go out and hit now 73 north instead of what we were doing. But regardless, a little bit out of the way, but it's neat that they're doing that kind of stuff and taking things seriously out there. I think it's really cool. Back to the lonely road. We're heading to Bismarck for dinner, by the way. That's what we're trying to get to, and stop there for some food. Here we go. Talk about the fact that this part of North Dakota, South Dakota, we're still in South Dakota, right? This part of South Dakota looks like Mars. I mean, except for that little water right there. But this looks like Mars. I mean, it goes on forever and ever. Like, who would want to live here? I mean, unless you're like a wanted criminal and you're hiding out from the law for 30 years. Like, maybe Elvis lives up here or something. But why in the hell would you want to make a home here? Now, don't get me wrong, people that live in North Dakota, South Dakota. I think you guys are wonderful people. Everybody I've met has been super pleasant. But this is just bland. It's just so stark. And not Tony Stark either. Like, this is like, ew. Sorry for the dad joke. All right, I'm gonna try to take a nap. All right, so this just keeps getting better. So we have this fucking crazy shit right here. Big ass. Oh my God, we're gonna die. Oh, hold on. Look at the size of this fucking thing in the middle of the road.
Holy fuck.
Is he getting over? Yeah, a little bit, I guess, right? This trip is so friggin' weird. Crazy, fucking huge ass shit. South Dakota. So as you can see, today was not exactly a thrilling day on the road. We did not have really anything to do. We just drove and drove and drove. We stopped at a place in Bismarck, North Dakota, called Jack's. It was a steakhouse and seafood place. Food was actually really good. I was able to get a prime rib. I have not had a prime rib since March. I've been doing a very good job with my keto on this trip. I've had steak pretty much every night. Steak salad one night, but still steak. And after really breaking my keto diet the first night I was in Seattle visiting with Mark and Angela, I have been strict with it since, and I'm feeling actually really good, all things considered. We put a lot of hours on the car today. I think 9.5 today, and we're shooting for about 7.5 tomorrow, and then 12 on Tuesday to get us home before we go to bed that night. But tomorrow we will be getting up early in the morning here in Fargo, and there is a little diner right around the corner from me where I'm at right now that somebody asked me to check out. So we're going to do that in the morning, go take a quick look at it, and then hit the road. We're hoping to be in Madison, Wisconsin before dinner time to to hang out with some of Joe's friends. And then we're going to have dinner with them tomorrow night and stay at their place. So that is the plan for tomorrow. Again, like today, not really a whole lot to see most likely. It's probably going to be a lot of driving. I will stop if I see things interesting and certainly shoot the things that I see on the side of the road. I could go into another rant right now about Trump, but seeing as that I have more time tomorrow, I will try to find some time in the car to talk about the nonsense that is this theatrical bullshit he is doing, driving around proving that he is okay. Yet that is in complete contrast to the reporting coming out of the New York Times saying that, and I quote, they're throwing everything they have at him right now to keep him healthy. So time will tell as far as that goes. But for now, thank you for watching the Daily Octane. I hope you enjoyed what was probably a pretty boring video. And if you did though, like the video please, and subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends if you even want to. And once again, thank you for watching the Daily Octane. I will see you tomorrow when we drive from Fargo to Madison, Wisconsin. Actually, I do have an idea for something tomorrow. We'll see if we do it. All right. Catch you later.